Hi gang, so how are we going to include a data file into our project? So using PyCharm, we already have a file, as you've seen before, with main and, well, you know main. Anyway, how do we add another data file to the project is what we're doing next. We need to go up to File, and then New, and then what you're going to see is a couple of different options here. We have New Project, New. I'm going to go straight up to New here. And then you have File, you have Directory. We don't need all that. We just need File. And then we're going to name it what we want, Lupoli.txt. Hit Enter. And there's our file. Notice you have the two tabs right here they're beside each other, but that doesn't mean anything. What really means something is way over here where it says Lupoli.txt and main.txt. So those two are together in the same project. That's a really big important part. But also to prove it, we can actually go to the address here, right up here, right click, and then it should be Open in Explorer. Of course, the piece of crap Macs probably won't have that. But anyway, but here is, well, there's your project. Sorry, one more click I got to do here. Double click in here, and then there is our real opportunity of seeing that main is really with Lupoli.txt. That's where we need to have your data files, is with your main.py. This is how we do it. So get to work.